Hi everyone, Zara here from Pike+Bambridge. As you know, we like to do things a little differently than the rest of the car industry. Today, nothing's different. A lot of our clients ask us lots of questions about the cars and what might suit for them, so what we've decided to do is show you exactly what these cars are like. And when they're on special offer, we'll show you what you can fit in the boot, how much space you might have in the back seat, how to use the controls, if it's got parking assist. All of these things we'll show you.
And today we're checking out the brand new Seat Leon. It's the 5-door model and it's specced out with everything you'd ever need. From free metallic paint to privacy glass, it's got parking assist and parking sensors and smartphone integration as well.